All right, number 2. So which equation represents an exponent that passes through the point 236? So I need the point. It has to pass through the point 236, and I'm given these equations. So let's look at A here. A here says y equals 2 times 4 to the power of x. So basically what we can do for these problems, we can just sub in this point, right? We can sub in these 2 points to figure out if the solution satisfies itself. So x and y here. So y here would be 36 equals 2 times 4 to the power of 2, right? In this case, we have 36 equals 4 squared here is 16. I have 36 equals 32 here. So this, in this case, A here is the wrong answer. It does not satisfy this problem here. So let's look at B. So for B, I have 4 times 2 to the power of x, or sorry, I have y equals 4 times 2 to the power of x. Let me just make some room here. Again, my points are 2 and 36, right? So it would be 36 as my y value, and 2 would be my x value. I have here 36 equals 4 times 2 squared is 4. 36 equals 16. This here is also wrong. I need 36 equals 36, right? So this is wrong. Let me look at C here. I have 3 times, or sorry, I have y equals 3 times 4 to the power of x. Again, this is y is 36 equals 3 times 4 squared. 36 equals 3 times 16. In this case, 36 equals 16 times 3 here is 48. This here is also wrong, which means D has to be my correct answer here, right? So let me just verify that for you. I'll do some blue. D here states that y equals 4 times 3 to the power of x. I know that y here is 36 times 4, 3 squared here. 36 equals 4. 3 squared here is 9, and obviously 4 times 9 here is 36. So D here is my correct answer. It satisfies this exponential function that passes through 2 and 36. So basically option D is the correct answer. If the point lies on the curve, so it must satisfy the equation of the curve. That's good. False. So A is false, hence 236 does not satisfy. It does not satisfy. Okay. So basically they just plugged in these equations here to basically solve for it, and they just said that D here is true because x equals 2 gives y equals 36. So the solution is correct. But they didn't really show their work. Like I get how they tried to explain it, but they didn't really show their work per se. So I would say that solution is correct, but you can maybe show like a sample. Show a sample solution, a step-by-step solution to figure out if x equals to figure out which equation satisfies x equals 2 would give you y equals 36. Solution here is correct.